I think the Healey maintenance is a really huge part of the program.
We talk about that a lot on here.
Oh, okay. I'm going to skip.
No. Always talk. Always. We always want to hear more about it. I mean, so personally, I think it's the best product. I use it on my vehicle. So just talk more about it. You're the one that deals with it every single day more than I do.
So service is something you have to pay for. You know, it's you can't buy a vehicle and not service it. So I think the biggest part of Healey maintenance is it's taking that variable payment of your monthly oil change or your bi-monthly oil change, and it's turning it into a package where you come in and it's already paid for. Not only do they allow you to roll it into your payment, which is huge, I think the biggest part of it is it saves the customer a ton of money. So we're getting our customers back in, we're saving them money. They're able to come back to the dealership, see our facility, whether it's updated or whether we change some stuff around. And they're also able to visit their salesperson, get a cup of coffee. They have homemade cookies at our store, so that's a really big part.
We do have the homemade cookies.
The homemade cookies are
Thank
really
you, Aunt Deb, for those.
Yeah, those are huge. Our customers love those.
This will be my breakfast in the morning. Put it in milk.
And I think that once the customers are servicing at the dealer, we're able to catch problems or issues with a car before it becomes a huge concern. We're able to stay on top of customer recalls for safety, and we're also able to educate the customer on what scheduled maintenance they're able to handle.
Yeah, and also on top of that, so what prepaid maintenance, the main thing, you're not just getting regular oil change, which some customers think at first, and then these guys do a great job. It's a premium service.
Yeah.
There's other things that come with it, whether it's a car wash, your alignment, discounts on tires if you want to do that.
Correct, yeah.
Comes with additives to protect your engine, and then also comes with those extra warranties that are in the BG products after a while. As long as you use that service every single time, it also protects you extra